profits and pull your stops. If you did, you could have made money on both sides. Yeah, we did a couple of tape read trades and go long. Anyone take a short trade and you saw it wasn't working and then just calmly and easily said, oh, well, then I'll go long. Anyone? All right. Congratulations, Anna. Yeah. Now, the question is, if you went short, what was your stop? If you had a 20-point stop, 25-point stop, the market went up a lot more than 25 points when you reversed, right? Right, Anna? No, but you don't have to reverse. You just buy it. That's all. Buy the breakout. Buy the Crable high. We took short trades, and a couple of them got stopped out, but the longs made up for it. All you have to do is start bringing your stop. It's all about risk analysis. But most people don't want to admit that they're wrong. They'll stay short until next week. And then when the broker calls for a margin call, what do you think they do? Oh, it's the broker's fault. I knew it was going to go down eventually. Yeah. No, you should have gone long. Should have gone with the trend. All right, yeah. Could we review the morning plan? All right, let's do the morning plan. First part, first of all, the bigger plan, go with the Crable breakout, right? That's the plan. All right. The second part was when after the market opened, wait for at least, what was the second part of our plan? And I'm not talking about pre-open or 8:30. What was, anyone want to help us out? What was the first plan, especially for newer people joining this room? Wait, I'm going to put just a question mark. Wait for what? Santa Claus, the Easter Bunny. What do you wait for? What were you going to wait for, guys? That's the first part of the plan. It's every day is part of the plan. Yeah. Someone help me. Nope. And Kay, you're just starting, so that's fine. 6 minutes. So just sit back and relax and watch what's going to happen with 6 minutes. Now, we thought, what was the trend, by the way, in the first 6 minutes? After 6 minutes, what was the trend then? So we're going to look for what? The big boys push the market up, then take it short. Now, as a extra added attraction, I let Caitlin call that trade. I did not do it. Right? I mean, she's right here. I said, you tell me when you're ready. Now, she took a little bit longer. I think about 9:45 is when she went short. 9:46, if I recall.
I didn't take that salsa. No, I took that in break.
Yep. So she waited a little bit, but it didn't hurt. See if my memory's correct. Oh, yeah. See? Look at that. She waited right here, took the M break. You guys did it with her. You know what she did. Now, that takes a lot of patience to wait 15 minutes. But she did it. She didn't overtrade. She didn't take the long shot. Now, there's a little W here you could have taken. Who could have taken this W? 3 minutes after. I wouldn't be surprised if some of you more senior traders with us took this long. Anyone take a long in there? I don't know because I wasn't listening. Coach, let me put the sound on so I hear if Coach is talking. Anyone take any longs in there? Yeah, BTI. Thank you. Probably Coach. I would bet, and now I didn't hear anything. I bet Coach Brian. I bet caught some long somewhere in there before it went up, before it topped out. See, I didn't know. I swear, guys, I didn't have them on. Yep. But we had Coach Caitlin here said, all right, I'm going to wait for the rally. So she didn't know anything else was happening. She's just observing, saying the market's a little overbought. Now, it was already hooking down on the 133, but she was also watching the 2-minute. Now, that's not a 30-minute. We use that just for demo purposes. Now, watch it. 9:30, it sort of bottoms out here, right? And then they push it up. How many points? Well, let's see. We were at 818, right? 32, 818. What would 158 points be? It would go 976, right? So what you could do is say, I'm going to short it at 976. Where would that be? And obviously we'd go a little bit lower, the daily pivot. Remember, we were looking for it to go toward the daily pivot. So we're looking for this area right here to go short. It didn't go short there. It never got up there, but it double topped out here. And you can see it didn't want to go anymore. And this is like what we call that railroad track pattern. Remember, guys, do you remember Coach Brian talked, because that was Caitlin's question this morning. Said Coach Brian once mentioned a railroad track pattern. What is that? So we went over it. I said, well, that would be where one bar is equally matched on the upside with the downside. We're having a little like class now, guys, because we're going to leave. We have to leave exactly at 11 o'clock. Caitlin has to leave a little earlier. We'll grab a quick lunch and we'll be back later. So I want to sort of do, you guys who are not in the real classroom yet, you're getting a little hint of it. It would go up. Who would be buying up here, by the way? Panic buying of the shorts, right? And then immediately the wolves come in and take it down. Yeah. So what happens? It goes up, panic buying. They finally give up because whoever shorted the bottom said, oh boy, now it's going to be a downtrend. Yeah, you should have shorted her a little earlier if you're playing that game. That's why we say wait until at least 6 minutes. Well, if you waited 6 minutes, you saw that it's going up. And you said, all right, the buyers are now in control, but not really. The institutions are pushing it up. They want to give it one more shot to get toward this level. And then you short it here. There's your first good runner. You guys saw it. You guys took it. But you guess what? You didn't take out the Crable low. Okay. So you make note of that. So your first setup was a short, for those who waited 6 minutes or more. We went in 46, 10 minutes after that. So that was your first trade. Then you don't do anything else really unless you break the Crable high right here. There's your long trade setup right there. Now we took a short toward this 950 area here a little bit also after that, but it did break the Crable enough to make money. Now, I think we took another short here, but that was a stop out. Mm-hmm. So we took another short here. That was a stop out. But then once it broke this area, now it's breaking again. That's a long trade right in there. Yeah, you took 4 shorts and got top, but you made up for it. Then finally, you came aboard, and I bet you made more money on the long side than you lost on the short. Congratulations, Anna. We've got another budding coach, right? To show you could take 4 losers. Linda Rashke's probably have coached you at one time or another. She could take 4 losses and make money by getting it the right way. Congratulations. You didn't get upset, mad, and say, I can't do this. I don't understand this. No, just sat around, waited for another good setup. It's just another trade. Any other questions? We got to go back here to finish stuff. Six one zero area code.
No.
Oh, 424.